All right, there's been a development where a day after senior Congress leader and former Chief Minister Harish Rawat's cryptic tweet exposing the widening rift in the Grand Old Party, now another Congress senior Congress leader Manish Tiwari has now called out the High Command, saying that first Assam, then Punjab, now Uttarakhand. You sow what you reap. So he is now taking a dig at the Congress High Command, where this is coming right after the former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Harish Rawat, who took to Twitter yesterday hinting at a rebellion, claiming that he is not getting the kind of support of the party's organization at the grassroots level, without which it will be difficult to fight the elections. And not naming anybody, but the crisis is very much evident there in many of those states that are being ruled by the Congress. And this is something that Manish Tiwari seems to be mentioning that in his tweet. Where another senior Congress party leader there, because he goes on to say what happened in Assam, then in Punjab and now in Uttarakhand. That's his tweet there on your screens, viewers, that Manish Tiwari's another cryptic tweet where he is posting whether coming across to the situation that the Congress party that has been facing. Well, everybody knows when it comes to Assam, the Congress leaders there who are jumping ship. Even when it comes to Punjab, the crisis is still not over there, viewers, especially when it comes to what's happening between the Punjab Chief Minister and the PCC president there. And now in Uttarakhand as well, Piyush, because Harish Rawat was put in place to firefight what's been happening in Punjab crisis. Now it seems the crisis itself has gone to Uttarakhand Congress.
Well, absolutely. And remember that yesterday, a senior series of tweets, Harish Rawat had indirectly attacked the Congress top leadership, and he has said that new year, may this new year pave new way for me. This is what Harish Rawat said. So today, what we can clearly see as to how Manish Tiwari, top Congress leader, he is now coming out and hitting out once again indirectly without taking name. And I quote what he has said is that the former Uttarakhand CM has now claimed he is not getting support of a party organization. Also, on the other side, if we specifically talk about Manish Tiwari, remember that he is a person who is from the camp of Captain Amrinder Singh. Though he has not openly come out yesterday, Captain Amrinder Singh had slammed former Uttarakhand Chief Minister Harish Rawat, and today Manish Tiwari coming out and making this tweet, which is certainly telling us as to how he is talking about the crisis which is prevailing in the Congress party, be it in the state of Assam, Punjab or Uttarakhand. What we're also learning from our sources is that Harish Rawat is going to be in Delhi today by the evening. The other Congress leaders will also accompany him. Before that, he will pay obeisance there at Kisan Ghat in Hardwar, and after that, he is likely to leave for Delhi. So, massive political crisis has erupted after the kind of tweet which was done by Harish Rawat yesterday. First, we saw what happened in Punjab, and then sort of things happening.
You just stay on with us. Gaurav Bhatia is with us on the phone line. Good morning to you, Mr. Bhatia. Well, this is interesting turn of events, what's happening in the Congress party, because here is a G23 Congress leader, Manish Tiwari, who himself has been raising questions on the Congress top brass, and something that is now being witnessed in the Uttarakhand Congress. Of course, I'm sure you must have seen the tweet that came across from Harish Rawat yesterday.
Is imploding.
Mr. Bhatia,
can you hear me, sir?
Yes, please, sir. We can hear you. Go on.
Yes. The Congress party is imploding, and now their own leaders are admitting the implosion. The Congress party wanted to divide India, and we see the Congress party getting decimated now. It is happening in every state. But the sad part is the people of the state where the Congress government is in power are suffering because the Congress is busy trying to clean its own house rather than focusing on the problems of the common man.
No, absolutely, Mr. Bhatia, because that actually shows what's been happening within the Congress party, especially in the Congress ruled states, sir. Apart from what has been mentioned by Mr. Manish Tiwari in his tweet, we also have to focus on what the crisis has been ongoing, whether it comes to the state of Chhattisgarh and even in Rajasthan, sir. It is not over yet.
No, absolutely. See, yesterday, Priyanka Vadra Gandhi was making allegations about Instagram accounts being hacked. But we should not forget how Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, was bugging and spying on the Deputy CM then Sachin Pilot. There was infighting. People of Rajasthan are suffering. Highest number of rapes, highest number of atrocities against scheduled castes. And then Chhattisgarh again, you know, the 2.5 year formula. What is this? This shows that there is no leadership coming from the top. That is Sonia Gandhi ji, who's missing. As a member of parliament, she hasn't even cared to go to Rai Bareli for the last 2 years, even during the tough COVID pandemic phase, when Modi ji and Yogi ji were working day and night to ensure the safety of the people. The leadership of the Congress was missing. And now the Chunavi Hindus are out in Uttar Pradesh without even caring for the people.